Hi, and welcome to week 2 of Leading and Managing. I just wanted to give a quick update on a few things. I first of all want to thank you for working through the first week, and it was nice to meet each one of you, and I appreciate you taking the time to introduce yourself. Just a reminder that your preceptorship is 4 hours a week. In week 2, you should be focusing on healthcare organizations and structures. Discuss organizational structures with your managers, attend meetings if possible, spend time on your assessment of the organizational structure. You need to talk about delegation and legal issues, and this is in the preceptor packet. So just make sure that you are meeting with your preceptor, and I'll be reaching out to you and your preceptor in regards to how it is going working through the clinical agenda. Discussion rubric, I want to thank you for your input this week on the discussion rubric. I highly encourage each one of you to go on and print off the online discussion rubric. If you read the initial post, it's supposed to be done on Wednesdays. And to get 15 points, you thoroughly have to answer the discussion post utilizing a minimum of 2 references for additional learning opportunity. Some of the posts didn't have any reference at all, and some of them had 1. So to get the full points, you need to have your textbook maybe as a reference, and then an outside source. So website maybe that you found good information on, or a scholarly journal article that you found good information. Then you have 2 replies that are due on separate days, and when you do a reply, the post must contain a reference for additional thought. Reply post is well thought out and adds to the discussion. Reply post cannot be done on the same day. So post contains a reference for additional thought. That means that it should have a reference, and that you bring knowledge to us from a scholarly article, a website, maybe something that you found out in your preceptorship. So I just wanted to go over that. Make sure that you are writing in APA format. I would think for each question in the discussion post, there should be a level 1 subheading for that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm going to try to get your discussion post graded quickly so you can get the feedback for second week. PowerPoint this week, I didn't audio all the PowerPoints. I did legal and ethical, and I also did the one on understanding and designing organizational structures, which is chapter 8. I shared a video YouTube clip on delegation that I think is useful for you to listen to. In chapter 7, I would ask that you just read that independently. Excuse me. The other thing I was thinking about is that you need to get online and use your FAA Davis resources for your Yoder and Wise book. And you should be doing the NCLEX questions for each chapter. That'll help you get ready for the midterm exam. Again, if you have questions, don't feel free to reach out to me, and I encourage you to strive for excellence in this class. I encourage you to strive for excellence in everything you do. As a leader, as a manager, you have to have integrity. You have to, failure leads to success, and so that means we are going to have failure. You need to speak with good purpose, so that means think before you speak. Commitment, ownership of what you do, flexibility, and balance. So I just thought that was a good thing to start week 2 off on, is the 8 keys to excellence, and I encourage each and every one of you to strive for excellence. Have an excellent week.